Hey guys, my name is Matt and I'm a photographer and videographer here in Toronto, Ontario. I'm originally from Cornerbrook, Newfoundland, so yes, I am a Newfie, but I'm now living here in the big city. I got started in photography in junior high / middle school, learning how to develop film in a darkroom. And then my interest in photography really started to grow in university. I bought my first DSLR or big camera then and just started to shoot everything. My first passion in photography was shooting landscapes, and it was good for me because I was a relatively shy guy. I couldn't necessarily interact with people and tell them how to look in front of the camera because realistically I had no idea what I was doing. So the first thing that I would do is just go out and at night or during a sunset or during the day really and just shoot landscapes as much as I could. Newfoundland is such a beautiful place. It has so many great areas to shoot landscapes. It is truly spectacular. So when I moved to Toronto, I was really fortunate enough to be able to join a great wedding studio, and I was able to really get a mentor and to help me progress along my journey. So now I shoot weddings, events, and portraits. I also do videography as well. And then when I really have some spare time, I'll go out and shoot landscapes, which was my first passion in photography. So the purpose of my channel is to really talk about beginner level photography information, tips, how to shoot, stuff like that. So if I can help just one more person be a better photographer, videographer, that's really my purpose of this channel. That's mission accomplished for me. So I'm hoping you'll stay with me along this journey. I'm completely new to YouTube, so it's going to be an interesting experiment for me as well. Stay tuned. Let me know if you have any comments or any questions. Send me a message or write in the comments below. And tell your friends too if they're interested in photography or learning just how to shoot a better photo, you know, how to shoot a better landscape picture, how to shoot a better sunset, or really just, you know, stuff like how to take a better selfie. So that's it for the intro video. I just wanted to talk about who I am, what I do, and what the channel is supposed to be about. So thank you for tuning into this video, and we'll see you in the next one.